Hi, today I'm going to take you through our Connect Live service. Students log into Studiosity, and from the dashboard, they choose the Connect Live service by clicking Ask a Question. From there, students select the subject they need help with and type out their question, providing as much information as possible for the specialist to understand where they're up to. They can also attach a file or draw out a diagram or equation. Once the student connects to a subject specialist in the classroom, they engage with each other via typed chat back and forth while they work on the problem together. They can both sketch or illustrate their ideas at the same time using the collaborative drawing tool. They can use multiple tabs and feel free to draw and make mistakes or try again as much as they like. The specialist will work with the student until the student feels confident they can continue on without their help. The session won't end until a satisfactory learning outcome has been reached. At the end of the session, the student is prompted to provide feedback on their experience, which is directly processed through Studiosity's quality assurance mechanism. They can also leave a compliment for the specialist who helped them. From back on the dashboard, students can select Your Questions, and under Answered Questions, they can see transcripts of all their previous Connect Live sessions. They can also download them as print-friendly PDFs. And that's it.